Hi guys, here's our second video of lesson 19 and we are on page 161. So please make sure you're following along and writing things down as we go. Is also a word problem with the read, draw, write process. So let's start in on the reading. Miss Song buys 15 boxes of fruit snacks for the school field day. Each box holds 24 packs of fruit snacks. She gives as many packs of fruit snacks as possible to 22 classrooms so that they can each get the same number. How many extra packs of fruit snacks does Miss Song have? There is a lot of words there. So let's break it down and look at what we have. So she has 15 boxes of fruit snacks, and each box has 24 packs of fruit snacks. Okay, so we're thinking about Costco. We're thinking about a big box of fruit snacks. Hopefully you've had one of those before. I don't know if you like fruit snacks. And each one has 24 fruit snacks inside. And she got 15 of those. Wow. Okay, that seems like a lot of fruit snacks. And she's going to give as many packs of snacks as she can to the 22 classrooms. Pretty big school. And the question is, how many extras does she have left over? Okay, so let's think about a tape diagram. We don't know how many packs of fruit snacks she has, right? But we know that she has 15 boxes, right? So 15 boxes, and that each box has 24 in it. So we could figure out how many fruit snacks that is, right? How many packs of fruit snacks that would be, right? And the way we could do that is 15 times 24. Okay. Then she wants to give the fruit snacks to 22 classrooms. So let's solve this one and then we'll go and solve that one. Okay. All right. So 15 times 24. Let's do this one by the standard algorithm. 15 times 24. And we have 2 digits times 2 digits. So we know we're going to have 2 levels. We know we're going to have the magic 0, right? 5 times 4 is 20. And 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So that's 60. And I'll remind you again that you're copying this all down on your notes on page 161. Now this is in the tens place, so we know that we have a magic 0 here because we're really multiplying by 20. So 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, and then 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And sorry that I ran out of room there, but 300 plus 60 is 360. Hopefully you can write that a little bit nicer in your book. So 360, if you don't have that copied down yet, please write it down because I'm going to erase it so that we have room for the next part. So she has 360 of those little packs of fruit snacks, right? Okay. So now she has 360 packs of fruit snacks. Let's grab our pen. 300. Oh, maybe I have to clear it. Clear. Okay, there we go. She has 360 packs of fruit snacks, and she wants to give it to 22 classrooms. So another tape diagram and 22 classrooms, right? I don't have to draw all of the classrooms because I know there's 22 of them. Sorry, it's kind of messy. I can just put 3 dots there. 22, I'm just going to say rooms. Okay, 22 rooms, 360 fruit snacks, and we can think of they're going to be spread throughout the rooms in equal amounts, right? But we don't know how many each of them are going to get, and we also don't know how many, if any, are going to be left over? Because that is our question. How many extras are there? So we have to do 360 divided by 22, right? Let's see if we'll, I don't know why our eraser never works. Not sure about that. Okay, so we need 360 divided by 22. I'm going to put my division problem here, 22. Okay, and then when we divide, we always want to estimate. So let's just get a different color and put our estimate right here. 22 and 360, right? And we're dividing by 22. So what if we changed our 22 to 20? Can we divide 360 by 20? Can we divide 36 by 2? Some of us might know that we can, and it will come out evenly. But it's okay if you wanted to change your 360 to 400, right? That's fine too. Okay, or maybe you wanted to get smaller and change it, thinking about your 2 here. Maybe 200? Yeah? It's always better to round down when you're dividing. So let's try 200 because we can always do our extra quotients on top, right? So I'm going to put it up here just because I don't have a lot of room. But remember that this 200 is right here on top of the line, okay? So 200 times 22. Well, sorry, I messed that up. It shouldn't be 200 times 22. That doesn't make sense now that I think about it, right? Really wish my eraser worked. Okay. What I meant was 200 divided by 20 would be 10, right? So instead of 200 up here on the top, I need to put a 10, right? So that's why when you're working through this, you need to be thinking about what you're doing, because you see how I caught my mistake because I was thinking 200 times 22, that's going to be like 4,400. That's way too big, right? But I forgot, probably because I'm trying to be save a little space here. I forgot that I'm dividing 200 by 20, and that would be 10, right? Okay, 10 times 22. 22 times 1 and a 0. All right, and let's subtract 0, 4, 1, 140. Much bigger than 22, but that's okay because I can put another quotient on top here, right? So now I'm thinking about 140 and 20 again, right? Okay, so 14 divided by 2 is 7. How about 7? 7. Sorry, running out of space up there. 7 times 22. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 2, 14 plus 1 is 15. 154. Too big, right? So let's try 6. 22 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Oh, come on. And 6 times 2 is 12 plus 1 is 13. That's 132. So not 7. Sorry that my eraser does not work, but 6. And that would be 132. Okay, and then I'm subtracting, and I want to make sure I'm not backwards subtracting. 10 minus 2 is 8, and that would be my remainder. So each class is going to get 16, right? But I have to go back and look at my question. How many extra packs of fruit snacks will she get? How many extra packs of fruit snacks will she get? This song will have 8. Sorry. Trying to just use the space I have here. There we go. This song will have 8. extra packs of snacks. Okay, word problems need to have word answers. Make sure you have that written down. You have a little bit more space, so hopefully yours is a lot neater. Sorry about that, and thanks for watching. I'll see you on video number 3. Aloha.